A wonderful good day and a very warm welcome to a new video. For this Audi here, we're talking about the Audi A4 B9 Model 8W, manufactured in 2016. With this one, we're going to reset the service, or rather, the inspection indicator. The oil service indicator, the inspection light is on, and we'll take a look at that right away. We change the oil and replace the cabin filter. I don't know which video comes first, but if it does, then an eye pops up here. Feel free to click on the link to check out the whole thing. So yeah, let's get started right away now. Shall we, everyone? I'll go and turn this on. We've got the inspection coming up shortly. And here we'll take a closer look at everything to see what we can manually reset on our own terms now. Vehicle data. Oh, I was already on that. But let's go in here again. We press menu ... Go to vehicle ... Move to the left side here once, and go to service and control. And then we navigate to the service interval and tap here once on the oil change interval to reset it. Go here once on reset. Yeah, it has been reset. Great. However, the inspection indicator remained unchanged and didn't reset. And that's the major issue we're facing. When we attempt to reset it manually, the inspection indicator remains active for us, and we're forced to use a diagnostic tester. Reset it. We also want to take a closer look into why, even after we've reset it, the whole thing still keeps lighting up again every single time without fail. Or rather, it still lights up because the inspection indicator can only be reset by using a tester tool device. Yes, and then we'll do that. Alright, so we'll go to actuator failure here. Then we'll need to go to switchboard operation, control unit 17. Then let's proceed to the adjustment step here now. And we have to reset the WIV. We've already taken care of that task. We manually reset it just a moment ago. So, and now to reset the inspection, we go here, down to 3,351 miles have been driven since the last mileage-based inspection, so we'll reset that value back to 0 right at this specific moment, here and now, as you can clearly observe on the display in front of us. And time since last. So the 3,352. Those are the days. Reset, okay, back. And then it's all done. So when we get back in and take a look, let's see, ignition off, nothing comes up, and look here, now the passenger side was activated, so then we go here to vehicle, and if we now take a look at the inspection display, the next inspection is reset. We can also adjust the days a bit as to how much it should be, so that can still be coded. If there are any questions, just drop them in the comments below. And yeah, folks, that's how you reset the service. It's really straightforward once you know the steps, and it's something you can do yourself without needing a trip to the dealership. Just make sure you follow the process carefully to avoid any issues. If you're unsure about anything, feel free to ask in the comments and we'll help you out. So that's it for resetting the service indicator, simple and easy. Plus, it's a great way to save time and money by handling it on your own. Just double check everything to ensure it's done correctly. Yeah, drop a comment below if the video helped you out, which cars you'd like us to cover for service interval videos next, or any ideas for other videos we should create, along with improvement suggestions. And yeah, if you enjoyed the whole thing, give it a thumbs up, leave a sub, see you next time, bye.